Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how my mom taught me to cut a pineapple. My mom believed to be able to get married, I had to learn how to cut a pineapple. So she started teaching me when I was a small girl. This is how she taught me. This one you can use to grow a new pineapple. We start peeling off the skin. As you see, they really have their own order here. We call these eyes of the pineapple. Make the knife about, I would say, 45 degrees. We're done with the first line. To just continue with the next ones. Nowadays, people invented a machine to cut the pineapple easier. However, back to when I was a small girl, it was impossible to cut it without learning the proper way. They're basically done. It is totally up to you how to cut it as small as you would like to eat. Here you go. So hope you enjoyed my video and good luck